Imagine waking up to a garden full of healthy, thriving plants every spring in Manchester. As the winter chill fades, gardeners get ready to welcome new growth. But the secret to success lies in preparation. First, understanding your soil is key. Testing its pH tells you if it's just right for your vegetables and flowers or needs adjusting. Next, starting seeds indoors can give your plants a strong head start. Especially in Manchester's short growing season, clearing away old leaves and twigs helps keep pests away, turning healthy debris into compost to nourish your soil. Keeping your tools clean and ready means less hassle and more fun. Planning your garden layout carefully, thinking about sun, shade, and plant friends helps everything flourish. Speaking of plant friends, companion planting works wonders by naturally protecting crops and boosting growth. When it's time to move your seedlings outside, proper timing and care help them settle in happily. Now, this is where Farmonaut comes in. Using satellite technology and smart AI, Farmonaut helps you monitor your garden's health in real time, giving advice on watering, pests, and soil conditions right on your phone. This means you can make the best decisions without guesswork, saving time and resources. By combining age-old gardening wisdom with Farmonaut's modern tools, anyone can cultivate a vibrant, productive spring garden in Manchester. So test your soil, start seeds indoors, clean up, plan wisely, plant companions, and transplant with care. Farmonaut will be your trusted partner every step of the way, making gardening easier and more rewarding than ever. Ready to grow your best garden yet? Let's get started.